Today I'll be demonstrating with you on how to make a 6-grain cracker bread using our Caravan half and half Euro grain base. I have some pre-mixed dough balls here already, and they're scaled at 1 pound 2 ounces. They've actually been covered and resting for 20 minutes, and after this stage I'll be taking it over and sheeting it out and pulling it out on a full sheet pan. During the sheeting process, you want to make sure that you sheet the dough thin enough so that the dough is very even across. If the dough is too thick, the cracker will be too thick and will not be crisp. Now that I've sheeted out my dough as thin as I can sheet it, I'm placing it on a papered sheet pan, and I'm trying to get it as close to the corners as I can so that I don't waste any of the dough. Usually if you have any excess pieces, you'll cut them off. Now you're going to take the dough and dock it real well. If you don't dock it well enough, you'll get a lot of air pockets or blisters on the surface. At this point, you'll want to spray it with water so that your seeds will stick. And now sprinkle it with a seed mixture of your choice. I have got some grains, seeds, and a little salt in this mixture. At this point, if you want your seeds to stick a little bit better, spray it with a little bit more water. And if you want the bars to break a little bit better, you can also cut to a desired size. After you finish your product, you can place it into your oven at 350 degrees for 15 to 18 minutes. After the cracker is baked and cools, you can see the pre-cut look very fancy. They're easy to break apart. And if you do not cut at all, you can take the cracker and break it to the desired size pieces that you would like it to be at. And there, you have a great centerpiece for any meal.